Hello, very good morning children. Welcome to the class SST class 9th. Children, as you know about your syllabus also, and drainage lesson, that is lesson 3, it is not for your exam, it is only you have to learn the topics that is of drainage about the rivers. Only the map you have to go through this. Understand major rivers and the lakes. And first of all I will tell you some what is a drainage. Drainage किसे कहते हैं? What is drainage? Drainage describes, it tells us drainage is a river system of an area. Drainage क्या है? River system of area. तो drainage lesson में जो map है, तो you have to learn only map. You have to go through only map, not any other questions. Understand? Is it clear? You have to go only through your what? Only map. You have to learn only about the map. Drainage is a river system of an area. Understand? And what is a drainage basin? Drainage basin क्या है? It is a by the single river system. It is a single river system that is called a drainage basin. And what happened? In which two major groups of India river divide? River कहाँ divide होती है? Rivers are divided into two major groups. दो major groups में divide होती है. Number 1 Himalaya rivers and Peninsula river. Now you can see the map. Only the map you have to go through. Now here, this is a map of India. You can see here. There are so many rivers. Number of the rivers here. Now you can see. Brahmaputra. You can see here. This is Brahmaputra. When you open a book, and you will find out this is Brahmaputra, and this is what different river Krishna. River Krishna, you can see here, and Godavari river, Narmada river, then Samar Salt Lake, Wooler Lake, Indus river. Indus river, you have to learn this map only. Different types of rivers you have to go through. Indus river, Brahmaputra. These are the major rivers. This is a map of the major rivers. Major means number of the rivers. Understand? All the rivers you will find in this map, and you have to learn about the rivers. And this is what? This blue part is what? Bay of Bengal. And this part, that is Lakshadweep here. Here is a Lakshadweep. And here you can see topic of Cancer. In between the line, here you can see it is a topic of Cancer. You have to learn this map only in this chapter, only map. Is it clear children? I am talking about it is only map you have to go through. तो what is a perennial rivers? जैसे हम कहते हैं drainage क्या है? Number of the rivers. Understand? Drainage एक river. Drainage क्या है? The river system of an area. एक area है rivers का. Understand? In which there are number of the rivers. तो we can talk about perennial rivers. Perennial river उसे कहते हैं which river fall throughout the year. जो पूरे साल बहती है. That is called a perennial rivers. Is it clear? I hope this much you have been clear of it. Then we can tell which river called a perennial rivers. Perennial rivers are those one which have a water throughout the year. जहाँ पे water throughout the year होता है. These rivers receive a water from the rain. ये कहाँ से receive करती है water? They are receiving water from the rain. बरसात से. जब बरसात होती है तो these rivers are filled with water. As well form a melted snow. जहाँ फिर बहुत ज़्यादा snow हो जाती है, नदियों में बहुत snowfall होती है, तो फिर जब snow melt हो जाती है तो these rivers are filled with water from the lofty of the mountain. And what do the Himalaya river do in their upper course? जब upper वाली rivers जो होती है, the Himalaya, जैसे Himalaya rivers है, वो perform करती intensive erosion activity in their upper courses, carry a huge loads of silt and sands. Understand? What is river system? River system क्या है? Along with the tributaries may be called a river system. A river along with its tributaries known as a what? It is known as what is river system? A river with this all tributaries may be called a river systems. अब हम कहते हैं द रिवर विच ऑर्गनेट फ्रॉम सेंट्रल हाईलैंड, रिवर कहाँ से ऑर्गनेट होती है, कहाँ से निकलती है, एंड फ्लो टूवर्ड्स द वेस्ट, जो वेस्ट में फ्लो होती है, विच इज़ दैट रिवर, द रिवर नर्मदा एंड तापी. दिस टू रिवर्स आर फ्लो फ्रॉम टूवर्ड्स द वेस्ट. दिस रिवर्स यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. एंड विच रिवर इज द लार्जेस्ट बेसन इन इंडिया, दैट इज सबसे बड़ी रिवर क्या है, रिवर गंगा. गंगा का नाम तो सुना होगा, गंगा देखी भी होगी, राइट. नाउ फ्रॉम वेयर डज रिवर इंडस ऑर्गनेट, जो इंडस रिवर जो बहती है वो कहाँ से बहती है, फ्रॉम वेयर इट ऑर्गनेटेड. द रिवर इंडस ऑर्गनेटेड टेबिट नियर द लेक मानसरोवर. नाउ सी हियर, you can see here in this map also, you can see here Mansarovar, you will get here in the Mansarovar, understand, in this river you will get the Mansarovar. And Narmada river, where you will get Narmada river, in this part you will get the Narmada river, here you will get the Narmada river. Is it clear? And then Ganga river, here you will get the Ganga river. You can see here Ganga river. Brahmaputra, in the last, here you can see the Brahmaputra, here you can find the Brahmaputra. Now why the peninsular river called as seasonal, peninsular river को seasonal river क्यों कहा गया है? पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स को सीजनल रिवर इसलिए कहा गया है बिकॉज इट्स द लार्ज नंबर ऑफ द पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स आर सीजनल विच फ्लो इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन द रेनफॉल, जो रेनफॉल के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट ऑन रेनफॉल पे निर्भर करती है. एंड इवन ए लार्ज रिवर्स हैज रिड्यूस एंड फ्लो वाटर इन द ड्राई सीजन. अंडरस्टैंड? देन विच प्लेस डज द रिवर गंगा ऑर्गनेट. अब आपसे पूछा जाए कहाँ से गंगा ऑर्गनेट होती है, तो व्हाट विल यू गिव आंसर? द हेड वाटर ऑफ द गंगा इज कॉल्ड भागीरथी, इज फेड बाय गंगोत्री ग्लेशियर एंड जॉइंट अलखंडा एंड देवप्रयाग इन उत्तराखंड. अंडरस्टैंड? यू हैव टू गो थ्रू दिस. नेम द मेन ट्रिब्यूटरीज ऑफ द रिवर. कौन से ट्रिब्यूटरीज रिवर्स है? जैसे यमुना है, घाघरा है, गंडक है, कोसी है. These are the tributaries of the river Ganga. गंगा से जो निकलती हैं रिवर्स आगे को, that which are the यमुना, घाघरा, गंडक, कोसी, मेन ट्रिब्यूटरीज है ये किसकी? रिवर गंगा की. Is it clear? Which rivers rise from the नेपाल हिमालय, नेपाल की हिमालय से कौन सी नदी निकलती है? That is घाघरा, गंडक एंड कोसी rises in the, कहाँ से राइज होती है? फ्रॉम द रिवर्स ऑफ द हिमालयस. अंडरस्टैंड? कुछ रिवर्स द मेजर पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स. पेनिनसुलर मेजर रिवर्स जो पेनिनसुला है वो है महानदी, गोदावरी, कृष्णा एंड कावेरी. अंडरस्टैंड? यू विल गेट हियर ऑल द रिवर्स, महानदी, गोदावरी, कृष्णा, गोदावरी you will get here, Krishna you will get here. Understand all the rivers in this map, page number 19 you will get all the rivers. Understand? Okay children, and this is of the map. In this chapter you have to learn the map only. Okay, and see you in the next class.